So far everything on the floor is removed, and that's the layout of the kitchen minus the island. The next step is to install the crown molding. The first thing you want to do when installing crown molding is go around and mark your studs. So we'll mark the studs, and then we'll cut a sample piece and go around and mark it, put a line, that way you'll know, keeping the bottom straight. So we'll do that next. So the first thing you do when you're hanging crown molding, you want to mark your studs, and that's what you can see here. And then you want to mark the line. You can do a snap a chalk line from end to end, or what I do is just take a sample piece and put it up against the wall the way it's gonna sit. In this case, this one drops down 3 inches. You can take your measurements 3 inches down and snap a chalk line, or you can just take your sample piece, put it along the wall the way it's gonna be, and that will give you a mark. You can mark that across while you're doing your studs at the same time. And in this case, this one is gonna sit at a 38-degree spring angle, which I'll show you how to determine that. So let's get started. And if you're hanging crown molding by yourself, what you want to do is, once you know where your end piece is going to be, just put a nail there, and that'll hold up one end. And we're going to start with a inside corners, that's all we'll have in this room, is inside corners. So I'll show you how to cut that. That's what it takes to basically hang your crown molding. I didn't tack the ends in yet until I test fit the piece that's gonna go connect to it. So once you get it nailed in, measure your next piece. There'll be another inside corner. We'll go around this side. Here's the crown molding after installation. Come back and caulk and get it ready to be painted.